everyone, I got done with my she shed, lady boss office, boss babe space, whatever you want to call it. I'm done. It is complete and I am ready to show you. I'm so excited to show you, so come on this tour, let's go. First, I had to put on my shoes that were designated specifically for this room because I don't wear outside shoes because I like to keep it clean. So I got my shoes on and we're ready to go. Can you see the sparkle? Let's see. Bam, 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 bam. So I'm gonna show you this room. I'm super excited. Let's come on in, let's go. So for my inspiration to my room, if you've seen my other videos, I am inspired by Las Vegas for this room. I wanted to be surrounded by luxury. I wanted to be surrounded by shiny and glamorous, and that is just what I did. I don't think you'll be disappointed. So I wanted to model this after like a suite in Vegas, how I would like a suite in Vegas to be. So here is my room. I'm so excited to show you. I'm gonna try and link everything in the description box below if I know where I got it. I will link it down below for you and I will do my best. I really, really will, I promise. First, I wanna start with my rug. I didn't want like a shag rug, but I wanted something really soft. It's like a teddy bear, it's so nice. Next, we have my luxurious, fancy, extra, super extra dog bed. I put this on here just to protect it from my stinky dogs. But let me take it off. Boop! Okay, here it is in all of its glory. This is my dog bed. If there were ever an extra dog bed, I would find it and I would buy it, and here it is. I found it. It is like, it's a little more purple than I wanted, but I mean, I saw it and I was just like, yeah, okay, I'm getting that dog bed. But in order to protect it from my dogs, there you go. It doesn't look as pretty, but at least it'll be clean. So this, I do believe I got off TJ Maxx. Moving right along, my art. This is the art I decided to go with for this room. It's a big, beautiful piece. I got this piece at HomeGoods. It went with my theme. It has a little pop of like blue in it, which I like tied in the room really nicely. And over here I have my calendar. This is also from HomeGoods. I have a lot of stuff coming up. So all my priorities for my filming and all my trips coming up, my grandma's coming in, my calendar, like boom, boom, boom. It's all there and I'm ready to write it all down during the day and get inspiration, so. And then I have my desk. So starting off with my white leather chair. My white leather chair, and this is just from Target, no big deal. So, and then this is my desk. I got my desk here from Walmart.com actually, so shout out, woohoo, Walmart, you did it, nice. Good job, Walmart. If you've seen my videos before, you might have seen some of this stuff on my desk, but the desk itself is from Walmart.com. You can't get it at Walmart, but you can get it at Walmart.com. This is my Yeti microphone, the whiteout Yeti microphone for my YouTube videos. If I need to not sound like crap, I use that. These are my Brookstone headphones. They're actually like the Ariana Grande edition. They light up, so they do different colors. Yep, I like this blue. I'm Mariah Carey, I don't know if you know that. And then just my little pencil holder with my bling in it. Amazon, baby, and the pens too. The pens are from Amazon as well. If you've seen my more recent bling unboxings, this is one of my things that I unboxed. It is a Chanel inspired MacBook case and it is hand bedazzled. So if you do want to watch that video, I will link it above and also below for you to watch. I also have my pride and joy, my Starbucks cup. Yep, it works. So this is my Starbucks cup. I got it done in pink crystals instead of green because I wanted to go with my room. So yeah, so this is also hand bedazzled. It is really heavy actually, but it's beautiful and man, it just sparkles like the 4th of July. And then this napkin is from obviously Saint Laurent. When I went luxury window shopping, I picked this up at Saint Laurent and it is super sturdy. I had to keep it because I'm a hoarder, and so now I use it in my office. Here we go with my crystal light from my room. These are my Real Touch roses in lieu of getting real roses. They look and feel like real roses without the maintenance, which is good for me because I leave town all the time and I would just like, I would have some like nasty rotting flowers in here, I really would. So flake flowers. And my planner and my notebook. I'm old school, I keep a regular planner. Helps me keep organized. I also have my mirror on the wall here that I got from Home Goods. Came from my other previous house, so I threw it in here. I loved it in here. I also have Audrey Hepburn from Breakfast at Tiffany's. I think she goes really well in this room because she's bougie, I'm bougie, we're bougie together. And then this, oh my gosh, I love this thing. So this is my lounger. I got this locally, but I think you can get it on Amazon.com. I want to say, but yeah, diamonds, and it belongs in this room for sure. And the pillows on it, I just got from Target, so easy day, but pretty expensive for pillows. Target, like $16 a pillow. Like, what are you thinking, Target? You're not Home Goods, Target. This is my white tree that I saw at Home Goods that I had to have. Why? Because it's awesome, I don't know. I wanted plants in here, but I really will kill them. I will kill them. White tree, because it looks super real. Just kidding. And then I also have my little fake flowers in my Louis bag here, and just things that inspire me on this table. This is my, I'll bring it up to you, my little goals table. So these are the cards that I got when I was luxury shopping, and they have the specific bags that I liked and the prices, and I just always keep them there because those are the bags I wanted and at the price that they are, and so they inspire me. They're my goals. So hashtag goals, right? They're right there. And then it's surrounded by all my little luxury boxes. These are real luxury boxes. And this is the bag that I got my necklace. So there's that. Back here I have the scent of the room. So this scent is Golden Bamboo. And if you don't know, this is the smell that is in the lobby of the Hilton Waikoloa on the Big Island of Hawaii, and it smells so good. I just love it so much, and it makes me feel like I'm in Hawaii. I'm so at peace on the Big Island especially. I think also in the Hilton Hawaiian Village they have this scent in the lobby. You don't smell it as much because it's actually like a really, really open, huge lobby. So, but yeah, you definitely smell it at the Hilton Waikoloa, and every time I go there I have to pick some up because I love that smell. So here it is, hiding. We're gonna go ahead and move on to my bar here. This is white leather. I don't know that I can find this for you, but if I can, I'll link it down below. But it's white leather. It's actually a bar, but I'm making it into an espresso slash a champagne bar. So I'm fancy. I have my espresso machine up top with my Starbucks cup, my little kitty paw Starbucks cup to drop my espresso into, and my clock that does not have batteries in it. So obviously it's for looks. I'll put some batteries in it though. So let me open this up for you. Okay, so this is my champagne slash espresso bar. I have my champagne down below with some mixers, one shelf up, and then I have some tea, cookies, and wine glasses down below. So I don't drink rosé, but I got this because the bottle is pink. And it's beautiful! I almost like want to get 10 of these because they're pretty. I will never drink them, but I don't really drink too much anyway, so honestly the champagne bar is kind of just for aesthetic. And then Marty and Rossi. I do like this stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. I gotta stop watching Disney movies. And also I have some coffee table books up here. Mostly I got them from eBay. The Chanel one came from TJ Maxx along with my dog bed. But I got Prada, the Vogue on Christian Dior, a Tiffany's pamphlet, Gucci, Chanel, and Saint Laurent. Those are all my faves. I got my big mirror up here. It actually needs to be cleaned off a little bit, it looks like, but I had it professionally put up the other day. And honestly, I cannot reach that high, so I'm gonna have to get someone to clean that for me. But it ain't gonna be me, I'll just let you know right now. My ring light over here, so when I do my videos in this room, it's behind this backdrop, which is from Amazon, both the backdrop holder and the backdrop itself. I put my ring light here, I put my chair over here, and I do my recordings just right here. So it was not too bad of a price. and it comes out really pretty in my videos, so I'm really happy with that. Last but very not least, the light. So this is my lighting fixture. We weren't sure if we wanted to do a chandelier because I love chandeliers. However, it didn't feel right for this room. It wasn't modern enough, and this room is super modern. I was going for like a Las Vegas feel, and although chandeliers are very like Paris hotel, they're not very like, I don't know, cosmopolitan, I would say. And I really love the Cosmos. Yeah, we decided to go with this lighting fixture, and I'm so happy that we did because it's gorgeous and stunning and amazing, and I just love it, and it sparkles like, just like, ah. Okay, well, thanks so much for joining me today on my She Shed Lady Boss tour. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you have anything that you think that I should get for this room, something that I'm missing, please comment down below, or something that you liked in particular. I would love to hear about it. And as always, please like and subscribe. It helps my channel so much, and I really appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Mwah.